Trying to get my shorts in. All right. All right. Welcome back to another talkie. We get some great comments, feedback, and we appreciate all of it. We really do. And we had one over the weekend, which made me think I'm going to do a video on that. A quick one, I hasten to add. We did a Mustang scratch repair a couple of months ago now on how we dealt with that. And a subscriber or a viewer came back with criticism on what we'd done and how they would do it and how we shouldn't do it and so on and so forth, which is fine. Not complaining about that. We all have our own ways. This guy's got a couple of body shops, loads of staff, would never put filler onto primer. Filler only goes onto bare metal. As you should know by now, we disagree with that. Everything goes onto epoxy. We wouldn't filter bare metal. It's asking for trouble. So there's no issues whatsoever with a bit of back and forth and questioning of techniques. More than happy with that. The bit that I'm going to pick up on this is almost the closing statement that all of this guy's work leaves their place with perfect matching panels and a lifetime guarantee. Now, unfortunately, I don't know the name of these two body shops because I'd be inclined to subcontract work out there if they're going to give a lifetime guarantee, because that is crazy. You can't give a lifetime guarantee. You know, you've got to be realistic here. We're talking ferrous materials, we're talking metal, paint. You can't guarantee that for life. You cannot do it. I mean, the big manufacturers with billions of pounds behind them don't offer lifetime guarantees. I think generally now you're looking at 7 years guarantee on a factory car, which has gone through the multi-billion pound processes and anti-corrosion and everything that they do within a factory with new material, new steel. They'll only offer you 5 or 7 year body guarantee. So why on earth would a body shop offer lifetime guarantees? There's got to be some clever wording in that guarantee, because you know, I don't want this to backfire on us. We stand by our work. Absolutely, we stand by our work. But if you come back to me in 10 years' time and say that, you know, a bit of my bonnet is faded because I live on the Sunshine Coast and the car's parked outside all year round, then sorry, I won't guarantee that. You can't. There are lines, and it's really important, I think, as the title of the video suggests, not to overpromise. You just got to be upfront, clear and honest, and everything's fine. To go offering lifetime guarantees on a car body or paintwork, crazy stuff, crazy stuff. Just, I think, and please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, part of the reason our channel has become relatively successful, we're a small channel, but we don't put a huge amount of effort into our videos. It's all like one take, very basic equipment, but we're doing okay. We're getting quite a little bit of a following, but our feedback on that is just the openness and the honesty. What you see here is what you get, and I think that's what sells the workmanship, I suppose, and reassures would-be customers that you're getting good value for money here. At no point have we ever jumped up and down and said that we are the best at what we do. We leave that kind of judgment down to our customers. We stand by our work. We know we do good work. I would never in a million years say that we're the best out there. And again, I don't want that to come back and bite me on the butt, but we've got, I can list them. We've got Old Bones down in Hampshire, do stunning work, fabrication and paint work, awesome stuff. Precision Panel Craft near us, their metal work is out of this world. If you want a concourse, cannot see where this has been repaired, welded, fabricated, speak to Dan over at Empire, that's his other company, Precision Panel Craft, superb. Even within paint shops, we've got Kings Road Coachworks, very local to us, known Nigel for 25 years, great paint, really great paint. So yeah, I've kind of gone off on a tangent there, but keep it real, keep it honest, and don't over-promise. Just be honest about it. yeah, at the end of the day, it happens. So deal with it. But yeah, that's it for this week's little talkie.